So in today's show, we're going to have Filipino stir fry. Stay tuned. So for this recipe, we're going to need chicken breast that have been thinly sliced, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, in this case we're using garlic butter, ginger, we have sliced celery, pepper, salt, oyster sauce, we have chopped scallions, we have red and green bell peppers, and we have sliced carrots. So the first thing we want to do is take our soy sauce and add it to the oyster sauce. Make sure we get it all in there. Then we're going to add the sesame oil. Then we're going to add the salt. Make sure we get all the salt. Going to add the pepper and the sugar. And I want to stir this up so we can make sure that the sugar and the salt dissolves. And we'll be using that here in a few minutes. So now we're going to turn the stove on. Medium heat on the wok. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cook the chicken. Make sure the chicken is cooked all the way through. We're going to add about a tablespoon or so of oil. In this case, we're using canola oil. As soon as the oil heats up, we'll be cooking the chicken. Okay, we're going to add the chicken. We'll make sure the chicken is all cooked all the way through before we add the other ingredients. We want to make sure the chicken is all cooked all the way through before we do the next part. Okay, now we're going to transfer the chicken to a bowl to start the next step. So now that the chicken's been removed, we're going to add just a little bit more oil into it. Now we're going to add our carrots. We're going to cook this for a couple minutes. Now we're going to add the ginger. Actually, I'm going to add the garlic butter first. Now the garlic is starting to toast from the garlic butter. And add ginger. And you want to cook the ginger until it gets nice and aromatic. There we go. When you start to smell the ginger cooking, you know it's time to add the next ingredient. So now we're going to add the red and the green bell peppers. Cook these for about a minute or so. Smells delicious. Now you want to add the chicken back to it. Now you want to add your celery. Actually, before your celery, add that mixture of oyster sauce and sugar, salt, pepper, and sesame oil. Add that first. And then after that's cooked for about a minute, then add your celery. Let that cook for about 30 seconds or so. Now you want to add the celery. Give that about a minute to cook. Now at this point, we're going to turn the heat off and we're going to add our green onions. The ambient temperature from the dish is going to cook the green onions for you, so you don't have to worry about that. You'll be good to go. There you go. Dish complete. And there we have it. Good to go.